For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
With the government slowly relaxing lockdown norms around the world, India too followed suit. This was vital to restart the economy, which was hard hit due to the pandemic. However, after the relaxations came into effect, India is witnessing a steady rise in the number of COVID-19 cases. In testimony to this, the country has reported its highest single-day spike in the number of cases ever reported. 6,977 COVID-19 cases have been reported on Monday. While India had breached the 1 lakh mark on May 18th, the total number of confirmed cases now stand at 1,38,845, also with 154 deaths having been reported. The tally of COVID-19 deaths in the country stands at 4,021. India has now become the country having the 10th highest number of COVID-19 positive cases in the world. According to the data released by Johns Hopkins Medical Institute, India overtook Iran after the single-day spike was reported. Iran's confirmed case tally stands at 1,35,701. The total number of recovered cases is showing a steady improvement. The number of discharged cases now stands at 57,720. Maharashtra continues to lead the country with maximum number of confirmed cases. Here's a tally of the 5 worst affected states in the country. Maharashtra has reported a total of 50,231 COVID-19 cases and over 1,635 fatalities. Tamil Nadu has 16,277 positive cases and 111 COVID-19 fatalities, while Gujarat is in the third position with 14,056 COVID-19 cases and 858 deaths. The national capital has 13,418 positive COVID-19 cases and 261 fatalities. Rajasthan has 7,028 COVID-19 cases with 163 deaths. With the tally rising steadily day by day, indications of the virus being contained still remains to be a remote assumption. With the final phase of the lockdown slated to end on May 31st, it now remains to be seen as to how soon the nation will be able to contain the COVID-19 virus.